What if luxury, as you know, it is about to be redefined? Imagine an SUV so bold Lexus kept it quiet until now. But wait, the real shock is coming. Today we unbox the all-new Lexus LX600 2026, the next-gen flagship built to change expectations. Are you ready to see what true modern luxury looks like? Let's begin with the exterior because this is where the transformation hits first. The 2026 LX600 arrives with a stronger stance, sharper edges, and a more confident silhouette. But wait until you see how each detail elevates its presence. Coming next, we explore the bold new design Lexus crafted for this flagship. The refined spindle grille, new LED signature, sculpted body panels, and enhanced aerodynamics create a luxury SUV with commanding style. Every angle speaks elegance and power. But wait, the real shock is still ahead. Stay tuned as we reveal the most impressive exterior highlight Lexus has ever introduced. Now step inside because the interior is where the LX600 truly separates itself. Lexus combines craftsmanship with new digital luxury. But wait until you see the interior upgrades coming next. Don't miss how this cabin blends comfort, quietness, and advanced technology like never before. Premium leather redesigned seating, a dual-screen interface, upgraded infotainment, and a fully digital cluster bring a new level of refinement. Every touchpoint feels elevated. But wait, the real shock is how Lexus integrates convenience and tech seamlessly. Stay tuned for the hidden interior highlights. Now let's talk power because the LX600 is more than just luxury. The twin-turbo V6 delivers smoother torque and improved efficiency. But wait, there is more coming next. Don't miss how Lexus tuned this powertrain to create a refined yet capable driving character on and off the road. With upgraded suspension, advanced drive modes, and improved chassis balance, the LX600 handles terrain with quiet strength and confident control. It feels agile yet solid. But wait, the real shock is how composed it feels for its size. Stay tuned as we uncover the performance enhancements Lexus engineered. Now let's address what many have been waiting for: the price and market positioning. With major upgrades and flagship luxury, the LX600 enters a competitive segment. Stay tuned because the price will shock you. Coming next, we explain how Lexus positions this model in the 2026 luxury SUV market. To understand the importance of this evolution, we look at the LX legacy, known for durability, prestige, and worldwide demand. But wait, the 2026 model brings a new chapter. Don't miss how Lexus honors its heritage while pushing boldly toward the future of luxury SUVs. The all-new Lexus LX600 2026 is not just an upgrade, it is a statement of modern luxury and capability. But wait, more breakthroughs are coming soon. If you love SUVs, don't miss what is coming next. Hit subscribe so you won't miss it. Stay tuned for the next big reveal.